Hi students, I'm your mentor Jahan Zeb and I'm here with another interesting video on reading skills. So let's start. Dear students, the agenda of today's lecture is threefold. Number one, what is the importance of reading? Number two, what is the difference between reading and reading comprehension? And number three, what are the three types of reading? Dear students, in today's fast growing world where you have this influx of information, the only thing that can save you from catastrophe is building a reading habit. Now, let me ask you a question. What do you think is the importance of reading? Why do we need it? Well, if you ask me, I can tell that number one, it improves your knowledge. Number two, it improves your personality. And number three, it improves your language. Now, let me ask you another question. What do you think is the difference between reading and reading comprehension? I have an answer for this. In reading, you just read the written word, while in reading comprehension, you have to understand the text as well. And that is something that is missing in our classrooms. And there are three types of reading in English. The first one is bottom up approach. The second one is top down approach. And the third one is interactive approach. In bottom up approach, we try to decipher the meaning of every single word in the text to get an overall picture of the text. And this is the most traditional method still in practice. In top down approach, you don't need to understand the meaning of each and every single word in the text. Instead, you try to get the gist of the passage, or what we call summary. And the final approach is called interactive approach. It is basically a blend of both bottom up and top down approaches. And if you want to be a successful reader, I'd recommend the interactive model of reading. So that's the end of this lecture. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like my videos and you want me to make more, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get updates about upcoming videos. I'll see you soon. Take care.